Ano yung kami yung bahay mo?
Parang factory siya dati ginawa ng bahay. Nakatakot na naman din eh.
Mabigla kang higitin ko,
Pero
no? Pag may tirgas ko yung dala lagi, no?
Sayo-sayo tayo ganun.
Gusto mo tayo yung heart. High school.
Loko yung kupit, papanayin ko sila. Bye! Guys, Mila Express!
Kasi mag-promote ka.
Pero
Sample.
hindi makakain
Alam
siya,
nyo
no?
ba, today is February 17. Yun lang.
Nice point.
Tapos yun, this will be the start of the story.
Hindi, commercial muna dyan. Commercial, sa food.
Bago natin
Subo
umpisahan ng
business.
story, bumili kayo ng rice,
Subo
Mila Express. Tutuba ko. Yung, starring Laila Katibog, 22 years old.
Tagla 30, gawing
Never
end.
been kissed, never been touched.
Whatever yung damit.
It's for you to know.
Also style. Also style.
Also starring Mr. Nestor Batilo. 25 years old. Still single. Mabait. At
Never
looking
mind.
for somebody. Will it prosper?
No.
Watch out. In today's episode of Love
moves.
in a mysterious ways in the ACS Lipa Clinic. Commercial muna.